Number Alicia and Finn, guardians of the Whispering Woods. In a cozy cottage at the edge of the Whispering Woods lived two extraordinary siblings, 10-year-old Alicia and her 16-year-old brother Finn. While they looked like ordinary children to those passing by, they each possessed remarkable gifts that made the world around them a little more magical. Alicia had always been different. She could hear people's thoughts.
Come along with
like
us for
whispered
some
secrets on the
stories
wind.
with Alicia
And more
and her
importantly,
brother
she
Finn
could sense
as they
what
walk
truly lived in
through
their
the
hearts,
fairy
whether
tale
kindness or
kingdom.
mischief, hope or sadness. She spent her days in her workshop, a small shed beside